Dental implants are a fixed replacement for missing teeth. It's a titanium fixture that gets inserted where the tooth is missing, and on top of it we can put a crown or we can put bridge work. So the big benefits of dental implants is it's a fixed replacement, so it's not something that's removable or that you've got to take out at night. It feels like a natural tooth. You can chew with confidence, you can smile with confidence. Huge benefits of dental implants. So dental implants are fixed into the bone where the tooth is missing, and we actually wait for a period of time when the implant is placed for your bone then to grow onto the surface of the implant. Once your bone has grown onto the implant, it becomes part of you, and at that point then we can restore that with a nice tooth on top. So dental implant treatment, it does not hurt at all. It's usually performed under local anaesthetic, so your gums are numb before the implant is inserted. It's normal to get a little bit of discomfort for a week afterwards, but just your usual over-the-counter painkillers will deal with that. So dental implant treatment can take a little bit of time. There's a time delay between when we place the implant itself, we then wait for your bone to grow onto the implant, and then about 8 to 12 weeks later then we put a crown on top of it. So it takes a little bit of time from start to finish. So dental implants are quite a predictable treatment, and they've got good long-term success stories behind them. The literature shows that 95% of dental implants are still surviving after 10 years. So dental implants are a really great investment in your health. They can have quite a high initial cost. However, they've got really good predictable long-term outcomes. So the long-term means that they can be quite a cost-effective solution to replace a missing tooth. The other benefit here in the practice is that we do offer finance. It means that you can get started with treatment straight away and spread the cost out over a period of time.